Growing up, I used to love when I got to buy a new pair of sneakers. And I'll be honest with you, I still love it when I get to buy a new pair of sneakers. They're new and nice, they're fresh and they're clean. There's nothing quite like it. But eventually, no matter what you do, they get dirty. So I take time to clean my sneakers. I wash them, scrub them, I even buy special cleaner for them. I like to keep my sneakers as clean as when I bought them. Today's Beatitude deals with keeping something clean. Matthew 5 and verse 8 says, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." The heart is much more important than a pair of shoes. In the physical realm, the heart is the center of life. It is the muscle that pumps blood to the rest of the body. Without a healthy heart, there's not much hope for other sick parts of the body. As in the physical life, the heart is the center of the Christian life. A right heart with God and a right heart with other people sets the stage for a healthy and happy spiritual life. That's why Jesus spent so much time talking about the heart. He saw what religion had become, a cold, outward, external experience, just like today. Anyone can hide behind a suit or a uniform. It doesn't mean they're a good person. Anyone can hold a Bible or quote a scripture. It doesn't mean that they're a godly person. Anyone can be elected to an office or hold a position. It doesn't mean that they care about people. But if your heart is pure, then you will have the right intentions, make the right decisions, perform the right actions, and say the right words. For Jesus said in Matthew 15 and verse 18, "What comes out of the mouth proceeds from the heart, and this is what defiles." So what's your heart like today? I'm working on keeping mine clean like a pair of sneakers.